Hey guys, this is me back, and I'm gonna be throwing a grenade. See, it's already sparkling. Didn't explode.
Nothing happened because it's fake.
Oh. Oh no, guys! It just exploded. Look, let's check how.
Look, guys.
Out is hot. And there's a hole.
Hold on, let's move it over here. It's gonna burn the concrete. There.
And look, guys, there's like
a black thing you wrote.
Ow. There's like holes.
Ow, ow.
There's like cracks and holes.
It hurts me, guys.
Here, let's dunk it in this hole. Smash it.
Oh. And we did smash it, guys. Look. It's plastic. Oh. See all that burning stuff?
That's a grenade.
Look how many burns. Doesn't it burn you?
It's smoking.
Look this part, guys.
Sorry guys, that's our video, and I just want to show you.
Guys, if you guys want a video like this in my channel, comment down below.
Need to be sad.